Hello everyone, I am L. Jaipriya from Gayatri Vidya Parishad College of Engineering for Women at Visakhapatnam. Today I am going to design a circuit which blinks LED when either of two push buttons is pressed using Arduino Uno board. I am going to design the circuit using software toolkit named as Tinkercad. This is the software Tinkercad tool. So let's design the circuit using this software. As I'm going to design the circuit using Arduino Uno, so I'm going to take the Uno board and essential components. We are using two push buttons here. And an LED. And resistors. I'm going to use 300 ohm resistor. So let's connect the circuit. The power supply from Arduino board is going to connect to the push button terminal. And the same as for second push button. And connecting the push button terminal to either resistors. And these resistor and other terminals are going to be connected to the anode of the LED. And the cathode of the LED should be connected to the ground of the Arduino board. So this is the circuit finally. We are using this Arduino Uno board only for the power supply and ground connections. So let's start simulating the circuit, how it will be worked. So to check this, we should start simulating the circuit. So the simulation time will be shown here. So now this LED should be blinked when either of the two push buttons is pressed. So we'll check this. So you can see the blinking of an LED. So we designed the circuit using two push buttons to glow an LED using Arduino Uno board. Thank you.